Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 5. This is Section 1.3, Problem 5. We have to add the numbers 251 plus 88 plus 936 plus 62. So the problem is written in a vertical format, which I prefer to add, and we can just start in the far right column and add the digits together. 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 more is 15. 15 plus 7 is 17. So for the 17, we write the 7 under the column, carry the 1 from the 17 to the top of the next column, and then we add the digits in that column together. 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 more is 14. 14 and 3 is 17. And then 17 and 6 is 23. So for 23, we write the 3 from the 23, carry the 2 from the 23 to the top of the next column over to the left, and now we have 3 digits to add together, 2 plus 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 more is 13. And because there's no next column to the left, I don't have to carry the 1 from the 13, it just goes down into the answer. And the final answer is 1,337.